Hey guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today's video is going to be about me making some candy. I'll be making some candy with some pecans and I'll also be using some pretzels. I got these mini pretzels from the Dollar General. So I just was like, you know what? I'm about to make me some candy. I wound up getting this. These are called candy wafers. I got the white vanilla and I also got the white mint. Guys, you know I love mint. Like when I say I have made all kind of candy with this, you can tell the difference. Like I really love this one, but my hubby said he liked this one better. So you just try it. They got chocolate, they got everything. I'm gonna actually get chocolate and make some marshmallow ones. So stay tuned for that one. But anyway, and what I did was after I get finished with, I'm just gonna just kind of put them inside these cute little cake tins, little cupcake tins, and just serve them to my hubby. So that's just a good gesture. What you're gonna do now is go ahead and put some of these wafers inside of a microwave safe bowl. Put it how many ever you want to. Don't use too many first. Just see how it work out for you. And I also have my trusty old, I have cutting boards, but I always, for some reason, tend to use my top to my bowl. And I also have a paper plate. So once I'm done, I'm just going to just put them in a paper plate. I'll put mine in the freezer for about a good 10 minutes. You don't have to put it in the freezer. You can just leave it out, let it cool, but I'm greedy. So I like mine done ASAP. So let's go ahead and put it in the microwave. Give it, read the back of it. Give it 60 seconds. And if you take it out and try to stir it and it's not like frosting, then give it another 30 seconds. Go ahead and open up your pretzels and just lay them on your platter. So when they're ready to dip, you can just dip them. You're going to stir it up. Again, I gave it 30 seconds. That wasn't enough. Last time I gave it 60. One other time I gave it 90 for the actual wafer. So try both that amount and see what happens. Okay, just don't overcook it. Once you get finished, and you just stir it up with a spoon. Okay, so let's go ahead and get her out. Okay, here we go. And what I'm about to do is get me a spoon. And see, you can just stir it. And it's like frosting. That's how you know it's done. So again, grand total 90 seconds. Okay, guys, so I have stirred it up. It's nice and it's thick, like I said, like frosting. And what you do is just put one of these right here. And again, like I said, I'm going to be doing, again, grand total 90 seconds. Okay, guys, so I have stirred it up. It's nice and it's thick, like I said, like frosting. And what you do is just put one of these right here. And again, like I said, I'm going to be doing, what is it, pecans too. And just place it right on top. And I'm going to complete each one. You can drizzle it on, put a whole lot on, whatever your little heart fancy. I'm going to go ahead and put some more on and I'll be back, okay? And what I usually do is just take my finger and just place it all on here. You can use a utensil, but I just find I have not got that yet of how to make it nice and pretty. So I just kind of put it on again and just tap it with my fingers. And it tastes just the same. You know, it might not be super cute, but when I say this is so bomb, and now I'm going to use the pecans. And all I can find was pecan halves. So I used halves because I didn't want to use like the slivers. I knew I wanted it to kind of be thick. So here you go. And it's the other one is a little thicker too. So just drizzle it right on top. All right. Okay, guys, here we go. Like I said, I know it ain't the cutest in the bunch, but when I say it's the bomb, you have to work with this stuff real quick because it get thick quick. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the refrigerator and I'll come back with the end results. When I say, guys, this is so bomb. So bomb. Guys, always make sure you clean up as you go. That's what I'm doing. I got suds all in here. Wanted to also let you guys know that stuff come in a lot of different flavors, from chocolate to caramel, I think, but all kind of flavors. Go to Hobby Lobby and go in the cake and pop section where they make cakes and stuff, where the cake things is, wedding cakes, and you'll find it. Wedding cakes, lollipops, all that good stuff. So again, clean up as you go. Just wanted to tell you that quick tip right there. It is in the refrigerator, so by the time you get done cleaning up, it'll be nice and done. And again, it's in the freezer. If I said refrigerator, I meant to say the freezer. Give it about 10 minutes. Okay, guys, here we go. They are done. When I say they're so good, we got the pecans in the back, pretzels in the front. And like I said, make as many as you want. Like, I don't need to make so many of these because, guys, I would devour I can't even talk. I would eat too many of them. How about that? I wanted to use a cute word, but I would eat too many of them. Just wanted to show it to you. If you think about making some candy for Valentine's Day, make this for your sweetie, make this for your kids, or let them make it with you, or make your sweetie, let your sweetie make it with you. There you go. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll chat with you guys later. Bye, guys. Leave comments below if you go make this.